Okay, just fired the generator up. Running fine now. Running smooth. That's the way I had to jump it. Into there. Yeah, all this work here I saved a lot of money on it. So if you guys ever have any problems like that, do it your own self. Take it to the shop. You might as well buy a new generator. But remember, anybody tells you that it's like if it's not firing, it's your carburetor, it's not your carburetor. First thing to check is your solenoid. Starter solenoid is not sending the power to your spark plug. And when it's doing that, not firing up at all, pull the plug out. Pull the plug all the way out, ground it, make sure it's sparking. If there's no spark, then there's no power going to it. That's the problem I had. And the shop wanted to replace the carburetor first for $1,900 plus. But shop's right here in Riverbank, California, and I would not recommend that one bit. $209, man, and the parts cost me like about a little under $100. But anyway, good luck to you guys. If you guys are having any problems, you could pull this video up and leave me a question if you have any. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you. Bye.